So he's not coming. Let's record. So user is opening his mobile app, which is having our app, and he scans the product QR code, which is in the label. This QR code we will provide to the user. Once he scanned this barcode and all these details, information, whatever is there, product ID, it will come here and then it will go into the stock to our Firebase. Currently, there is no scanning, manually entering. So, and that also you will see. So that
So,
time you will send this
Vaheed,
latitude.
what do you mean by it goes in stock? I didn't understand.
Okay, starting from user is there. Okay,
Okay.
it's a stock. This is the product.
Okay.
Say there is a rice bag. Okay, so in the
Okay.
mobile app, our mobile app is to save the product and it will be displayed to the customers.
Yes.
If you are a shopkeeper, you can store the low stocks of a rice bag. Say rice is your product. So you say rice, I have 100 kilo. Okay,
Okay.
we'll enter it. So when you enter it, it will be sent as a notification to your customers. Okay,
Okay.
and if it is a shopkeeper, also another shopkeeper can also see the if he is a buyer from you, and you can put status for this like it's offer, discount, all these things. So he can give you order. Okay, somebody else is also supplying this rice to you, right?
Yeah.
So those people also will come to know when this quantity is getting stock is getting low. So from here he can know what is the stock of your the rice
Okay.
because he's supplying this to you.
Yeah.
So when it is when he wants to come to you, he can load this one more or reserve something for you and can deliver this rice. This is the concept of our SarakkuNote. Clear?
Yeah.
So basically, there is a shopkeeper and he gets something from supplier
Yes.
and he sells this to his customers. Correct?
Yeah.
This is his customer. All three uses our app. Yeah. Customer places order directly when there is something he wants to buy.
Okay.
So when there is a new stock or when there is a new rebate, discount, he mentions that and immediately he gets notification and he can place order right away.
Okay.
As the quantity goes down, as he sells, yeah, this
Yeah.
guy supplier can know what is the stock, how much stock he have. Supplier. So if he supplied initially 100 bags and 90 bags is sold, he can know 10 bags is pending.
Yes.
Okay. So while he is coming to this fellow, he can bring this 10 extra bags, 90 extra bags reserved for this guy.
Okay.
This is the concept. And then since this guy is a supplier, this guy become a customer similar to him. This guy is customer. This guy is customer to this guy, and this guy is a customer to this guy. This guy is supplier to this guy, and this guy is supplier to this guy.
Okay.
Correct? So similarly, when the rice bag is in surplus, he can put offer and it immediately get notified to this person.
Okay.
Offer. So he can place the order. Similarly, this is the whole process what we have. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Now this guy take this rice bag from say particular area like say Bangalore.
Hmm.
Okay. So because some places have some speciality from that product. Say Bangalore rice is having some flavor. So everybody buy this product because of the name. Okay. So
Okay.
this can be an alwa. Tirunelveli alwa is there. It's very special for alwa. Everybody makes alwa, but Tirunelveli alwa is very special. So this guy wants to make sure this alwa is made in Tirunelveli, not in Chennai.
Yes.
So how we making sure? That is the point now. Yeah. And there are Tirupati Laddu is there, right? Laddu Tirupati,
Yeah. Yeah.
So Tirupati Laddu is there. So this laddu is coming from Tirupati or from your local store. You don't know. Maybe he just know the ingredients and he's making this local guy. So to make sure the origin, proof of origin, we are going for the uh, this one, a blockchain. Okay, next slide I'm going. So what are we
Okay.
doing? So Alva, this is Alva producer. Okay, some guy is making this Alva. And this website, Native Special, Sweets.com, all these guys are buying from this Tirunelveli shop
Okay.
and adding this to their website and selling to the customer. Or sometimes shipping to Dubai and then Dubai shop, and then from Dubai people buy, the end customer used to buying. This guy is the only consumer. This guy shop. Yeah. So all these places, this this is coming from, this guy doesn't know where this is coming from, this place or from any in between, anywhere. Okay, so what are we doing? So when this guy is buying and packing it, then he packs it and send this to when he packs this, he add this to this guy stock. Yeah,
Yeah.
Tirunelveli Alva 100 packets. Clear?
Yeah.
In the mobile app, he uses our mobile app. This guy also have the same app, and he adds this. This guy is the producer for this guy, so he add this product to him. He's a servant, or he's a producer. You can say in legitimate diplomatic word, he's a contractor who prepares this and packed it. While packing it, he adds this, right. While adding it, we capture the latitude and longitude along with the product details. Okay, clear?
Okay.
And this product, this detail, this is saved in the, this comes to the mobile and then gets saved to a via API. We saving it to the Google database, Firebase. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So we have here product, quantity, lat long. Fine. So
Yeah.
now next thing, how to. So in this Firebase, we have product lat long. Now we have to have another console which reads this database with the Java or Python. Read this Firebase database. This we haven't done. This is a proposal for the blockchain. Okay. Read the database product lat long
Okay.
and QR code. Push this to the, it reads from the Firebase and push this to the canister EFX to blockchain. Okay, this is the definitive blockchain. It will go.
Okay.
Okay, now when the from the shop, this is the shop. So buyer, the end customer buy this and he opens his normal mobile phone, no app is installed, scans the QR code. And QR code opens the web browser. This is the web browser. And shows the definitive website. Posted in definitive. Shows that this is map Tirunelveli. So origin is Tirunelveli. And in between, if it is shipped to Dubai, then it is shipped to Dubai. If it is scanned. And if it is, then it comes to Abu Dhabi, then Abu Dhabi. Clear? In between, people need to scan. If not, it will show the origin.
Uh,
Origin of the
the
product as Tirunelveli.
Wahid, the location is shown on the website or on the mobile itself?
No website, because you cannot expect the customer to have the mobile app. This is the end customer.
Ah, okay, okay.
So he's buying and he sees a QR code in the product package.
Okay, so you will scan from the mobile. There will be some other app, right?
No need. You just open the camera and scan it. You don't need to install anything. All the mobiles have this functionality. Default, it recognizes you open a camera and show on a QR code, it will scan. It will go to the scanning mode automatically. iPhone
Okay,
and Android also.
and it will go to the website.
And it will open. It will, the QR code will have the data.
Ah, okay.
Say for example, I will show you something. I will put this as an address. Okay. You have to generate as a URL. Now you open your camera and scan this. You see this, right? Pradeep, are you there?
Yeah,
Oh, Ranjit also there. Ranjit, can you scan this?
it was
Yeah.
Well,
You see it or no?
no, I don't see anything.
Now?
no, I don't see the QR. Yeah,
Ah, now it's coming. Yeah.
Yeah, just scan this QR code. It will open this website. Is it opening? So if you scan this, it will open this code.
It's opening identity.ico.app.
Yeah. See, now if you try to scan this now, so everything, every mobile has this default functionality. So this is what the now is working, right? It should definitely work.
Okay. Okay, fine.
So,
Yeah, it seems to be working. Yeah. You need to go to Google Lens, I think.
it will open automatically. It will open your default browser and it will go to take you to that URL.
With the QR code is linked with the URL.
Yes. So you get this map now. So typically what will be there, Google Maps dot. We will show this in our app. This will be our app. It will be like from the. It will show. So origin is this place. You get this. You scan this. Can you scan this now?
I don't see another one.
Anything? Okay. Now.
Yeah, now it's coming.
So open the camera and try to scan it. And it will open the map and it will show this is the place its origin. So customer make sure this is perfect. That's what we plan to do. Ranjit?
Yeah,
So clear?
it's showing.